A very good morning, students. How are you? Hope you all of you fit and healthy, and your study is going very well. I hope. Yes, ya no, beta. Your study is going on good now. Very good for it, for your effort. Today in science class, we will discuss about revision work. How many chapters are coming in your annual examination? How many marks, what is the time duration, which mode. Okay, your course is completed, beta. All chapters are completed which are coming in your annual examination. This thing in my side, your annual examination course is completed now. This time your duty is started now, so everyone learn all chapters very carefully, because your annual examination will be held on first week of March, and this exam is a MCQS online based exam. Last time all examination are done, now no same pattern is follow here in your annual examination. Maximum marks of the exam is this time is annual exam, so this exam is a 90 marks. Time duration is 90 minutes, and number of the question in my subject, in science subject, is 45. Okay, it means you have 90 minutes to solve the question. 45, it means each question you have how many minutes? 2 minutes. 90 minutes, it means 2 minutes you have. So be careful for that, and every day you practice now some MCQ S type questions. Okay, then let's start today's classes. This class is your science class, beta. So everyone ready with your science copy, rough copy, any copy, or and each and everything, all of you write down in your copy with the date, and you practice this type of sum. Okay, this is good for you. This class is science class. What is the date, student? Today's date is, the date is 19th Feb 2021. Okay, this is revision work. We are doing now revision work chapter wise. Revision work. So we will discuss about first syllabus. What is the syllabus? Syllabus. What is the, your syllabus is chapter 10. Chapter 10. Chapter name is Water for All. Water for All. This is first chapter. After that, chapter 11. Sunlight. Sunlight and shadow. This is chapter 11. Chapter 12 is not in your syllabus. Some students are asking about, ma'am, please send me book exercise of chapter 12. But I told you chapter 12 is not in your syllabus. Okay? Due to COVID-19 infection, your course is reduced now. That's why this chapter is not in your syllabus. Then chapter 13. The chapter 13 is going to the moon, and test paper also. All of you practice now test paper 2. Okay, the annual examination, the maximum marks is 90 marks. Time duration is 90 minutes. 90 minutes. And number of the question, number of the question. Number of the questions are 45. In which subject? My subject. And my subject is science subject. Understand, in science subject, your number of question is 45. And the exam based on, tell me, exam based on, this is very important, exam based on MCQS. MCQS. What is the meaning of MCQS? It means one question is given on online mode and there is number of the options. A, B, C, D, maybe D options. 4 options are given now, 3, 4 options. And you have to choose now the which one is the correct option. Okay, which one is the correct option? You choose now only one answer. Okay, and when you are choose now the correct answer, then you click in front of that option and your option will saved in computer and that marks is readable. Okay, MCQS, I think there is no problem. All exam is going on your UT half yearly, UT second, all exam is going on MCQS based paper. I think there is no problem. Then we are starting now. Then today I will do some questions from first chapter. Chapter wise we are doing now the revision. Chapter 10, water for all. Revision work, chapter 10, water for all. Okay. For good marks, I will give you advice, beta. All of you revise these chapters. All of you read now these chapters. This time you have some days, 10 to 10 days maybe you have. So per day you have revised. All of you read these chapters properly, line to line. All of you read now, because in examination I am give you some questions from book content and book exercises and questions answers also. All exercise, all chapters are very important to point of view for your exam. Water. What is a water? Water is very essential for us. And all living things need water to survive their life. What is the uses of water? Water, tell me, to drinking, to bathing, to drinking, bathing, and tell me, to washing our clothes. For many purpose we are using water. Sources of water. There are how many type of sources of water? Rainwater. It is the main source of water on the earth. Always you remember, the main source of the water is rainwater on the earth. Then surface water. Surface water, the water that is present in water bodies on the surface of earth is called surface water, like that pond, river, stream. Okay, this type of water is surface of water. Examples of surface of water. And next is groundwater. What is the meaning of groundwater? What is a groundwater? Groundwater is a source of fresh water, and we can get groundwater by digging wells and by boring hand pumps, tube wells, etc. I hope these things are clear now. And when we should drink water, your water is very clean. Okay, and clean and pure water is safe for drinking, and this water is called potable water. Potable water. Filtering is also method by the which dirt is removed from water. What is the process of filtering? By boiling, by using filter. Okay, these things we can use water clean. And stories of water in your book there is some pictures like that. This is the bucket, this is that house tank, and this is the dam. When we are large amount of water is stored in which this is the dam. In a dam we can store large amount of water. Okay, I hope all things are clear now from this chapter, and how to save water. We don't play with water, we don't spoil the water, because it is very precious for our life. And the very important part of this chapter, that is forms of water. The forms of water is, how many forms of water? Tell me anyone. Solid, liquid, and gas. Solid, liquid, and gas. This is the form, not types of water. It is the forms of water: solid, liquid, and gas. The example of solid, that is ice. Liquid water, we are drinking it. And gas, water vapor stream. This is the example of gas. Okay. The next is, here is the example you mentioned now. Example, here is ice, liquid water, and gas. What is the example of? Water vapor, steam also. And the next topic is last topic. This is the last topic is from this chapter, that is water cycle. Water cycle. After that we are doing now some questions. Water cycle. The water cycle has how many steps? 4 steps. I told you when I'm understand when I'm read this chapter. 4 steps. When I'm told you this chapter, first step is evaporation, then condensation, precipitation, and collection. These 4 steps are continuously running in our water cycle. That's why I told you. All of you read all chapters at least two times. That is very beneficial for you. What is the evaporation? Tell me anyone. What is the meaning of condensation? Condensation. Anyone tell me the definition of condensation, precipitation? This time you all of you have remembered. Tell me the first, evaporation. Anyone tell me the process in which the water change into steam on heating. That process is called evaporation. Understand? Understand? Yes or no? Yes, na? And the steam change into liquid. This process is called condensation, because here is steam change into liquid. It means steam change into liquid. C for cool, C for condensation. Okay, then precipitation, the process in which heavy water drops fall from clouds as a rain. This process is called precipitation. Okay, then last is collection, the process in which water flows collect back into the river and lakes and ponds. This process is called collection. Okay, and this process is continuously running in our environment, and this process is natural process. Okay, I hope all things are clear now for water cycle, and I request you beta, all of you read this chapter two times. I think all things are remind in your mind. Okay, then do the some questions from this chapter that are based on from this chapter. Okay, so everyone write now the some questions. Question number 1. Question number 1. Right now everyone. Main source of water. Main source of water on the earth is? Earth is A option rain, B option river, then C is ocean, D is none of these. None of these. Tell me which one is correct option here. Main source of water on the earth is. Always you remember the main source of water on the earth is rain. Your answer is rain. Okay, then move to the question number 2. Question number 2 is drinking water. Drinking water is in a form. Which form? Here the option is A gas, B liquid, C ice, and D is none of these. None of these. Which one is correct? Drinking water is in a form. Which form? Gas? You can drink gas? No. Liquid? Ice? Ice you can drink it? No. This is wrong. This is wrong. Your right option will here B. It is a liquid form. It is a liquid form. Then move to the question number 3 is. Question number 3 is the process in which steam changes into liquid. Tell me the process name. A is condensation. B is precipitation. C is collection, and D is none of these. None of these. Which one is correct? The process in which steam means water vapor, change into liquid. It means here the steam is changed into liquid. It means steam is cooled. C for cool, C for condensation. Always you remember, there is no confusion, beta. Your right option will here condensation. Here is very confusing. Some students are asking about. When the steam change into liquid, it means steam is a cool. It means this process is called condensation. All of you complete now these 3 questions in your copy. Next question is question number 4. All of you write now. Which of these is not a form of water? Water have only 3 forms now, beta. First is ice, B is steam, C is water, and D is smoke. This is a solid form, this is a gas form, and this is a liquid form. Your right option will here is smoke. Okay, so all of you choose your D option. Okay, then move to the question number 5 is. The question number 5 is channel of water flowing down a mountain. mountain. Which one is right option? A, pond, B, river, C is stream, and D is none of these. None of these. Here all of you choose now the which one is correct option. The question is channel of water flowing down a mountain. The option will given here. Will here first is pond, B river, C stream, D none of these. The right option will here stream. The channel of water flowing down a mountain is stream. So this type all of you choose now the correct option. So beta, don't confusion now and be attentive for your studies. And this is the syllabus and pattern of the paper. Okay. So be careful for your exam. Till then beta, have a nice day. In next class we will do the next chapter. With some MCQ based question. Okay beta, have a nice day.